Hey Canva creators, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Canva's built-in AI to create professional images with just one smart prompt. Let's get started. Go to the left-hand menu in Canva, click Canva AI, then choose Design for Me, Create an Image. Now comes the key part, the prompt. I used ChatGPT to help craft a detailed prompt based on a funny cat photo. You'll find the full prompt in the description. Choose a style. I went with moody and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Upload your reference image. Then hit Generate. In seconds, Canva gives you 4 high-quality results with great detail. Click on any image to preview it and pick the one that works best for you. And that's it. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!